Welcome to .NET Technology video series. Today we will understand the concept of inheritance. Inheritance is when one class inherits the property of another class. At that time inheritance concept is applied. In other words, we can simply say that when a child class inherits the property of parent class, then we can say that it's a concept of inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism of acquiring the features and behavior of class by another class. The class whose members are inherited is called the base class, and the class that inherits those members is called derived class. Now, what is the advantage of inheritance? It reduces the code redundancy, it provides us code reusability, so we can reduce the source code size and we improve the code readability. Now we will also here going to discuss the types of inheritance, in which first one is a single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance and hybrid inheritance. Out of this, one of the inheritance concept is not applicable in .NET technology or .NET language. You have to remember that things, it's a multiple inheritance. Alternate solution, .NET provides interface. With the help of interface, you are provide such kind of facility. Now we will understand practically how inheritance we can apply and we can perform. So first class name is a shape class and second class name is a rectangle class. Here I have inherited shape class in rectangle. What is the fundamental in shape class? We will see it. First of all, here I have used one of the modifiers, protected integer width, then second variable name protected integer height. Why I am using protected? The two access modifier allow the variable to access in the another class when we are using the inheritance concept. First public and second is a protected, because private have only the scope within the class only. Second public method set width and set height, two method I have defined and passing the value with the help of argument and set it width and height. Now I am not going to calculate width and height over here to get area, but in another class rectangle I have inherited shape class in rectangle class, and width and height two variable which taken from the shape class, not going to define again in the rectangle class and calculate it over here. It is only possible when you are using the inheritance concept. Otherwise its scope is only within the class only, so it only used in the shape class, not in rectangle class. Now what I am done in main function, I have created the object of rectangle. Remember the things, I have created the object of rectangle class, not the shape class. But then also with the help of that object I have called set width method, which is belong in shape class, and again set height, two value I have passed, and then after using the get area method I will get the result of multiplication width multiply height. It's a total area I have calculated. Now execute the application and see the output. So total area is 32 because 8 and 4. So it will give us output like this. So in such a way we can implement the concept of inheritance in our program. I hope you understand this concept and learn how to implement inheritance. Thank you for watching this video.